From the very first frame, the Lamborghini Revuelto stands still like a futuristic beast, glowing under neon lights. This is not just a car, this is a statement. Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews, where performance meets pure visual power. As the engine comes alive, we jump straight into the world of Forza Horizon 5, and now the Revuelto explodes onto the highway, pushing insane speed with smooth hybrid precision, leaving behind trails of light and adrenaline. Take a closer look at this insane Forza special livery. Every detail, every line, crafted to perfection, turning this machine into a moving masterpiece. And now, from the rear view, those sharp red taillights cut through the darkness, smoke rising as raw power meets aggressive design, showing exactly why this car dominates every road it touches. Finally, as the sun rises over a breathtaking landscape, the Revuelto stands tall, calm, powerful, and iconic, proving it's not just built for speed, but for presence. If you love supercars, next-gen gaming, and cinematic experiences like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join Elite Auto Reviews for more high-performance content that keeps getting bigger, faster, and better.